जी सामने देखिए यहाँ पे
मिनिमम ये लेफ्ट साइड ये मैम लेफ्ट साइड मैम मैडम सामने मैम 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 सामने मैम नहीं हुआ सामने ये सामने
आपका फ्लैश आ रहा है मैम।
पीछे जाओ हेलो पीछे जाओ।
अरे यार आयुष भाई दिख नहीं रहा है।
आप दिख नहीं रहे बाबा।
अरे इस तरफ बैठ जाओ अभी, इस तरफ आ जाओ। फ्लैश फ्लैश बीच में आनी है।
थोड़ा क्या सामने सामने
पीछे जाओ।
Excuse me, मैम, आप थोड़ा प्लीज पीछे आ जाइए, आपका फ्लैश आ रहा है।
सेंटर सेंटर लोग मैम सेंटर 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 यहाँ पे
आयुष सामने देखना।
आ जाओ इधर 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 इधर
सामने 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 देखिए सामने।
ज्यादा पीछे ना तू
दोनों आगे आ जाओ
आगे गया तू अरे आएंगे ना इधर ही
सामने यहाँ पे सामने थोड़ा
इधर 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 सामने देखिए सामने।
नारायण दादा जरा प्रेशर दे दिया।
सामने सामने
सॉरी आप नाउ स्ट्रेट हियर
स्ट्रेट स्ट्रेट में
स्ट्रेट हियर
सामने आयुष
भाई थोड़ा एक से बाजू
फ्लैश फ्लैश हो मैडम फ्लैश आ रही है।
पीछे आओ तो नारायण दादा थोड़ा पार्टी आ रहा है।
भाई सामने भाई
भाई एकदम सामने।
सामने सेंटर लोग भाई
सर स्ट्रेट हियर सर सर स्ट्रेट हियर सर
ये सामने देखिए।
Everyone feeling excited? See, I can count on the first 3 rows. That's family. Come on, make some noise. This is a very, very special day. So, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, it is बहुत खास दिन है, बहुत special दिन है. हमेशा ही खास होता है when new talent, new debut is being launched in the industry. It's always exciting when Salman Khan decides to pick a story and tell it. And Navratri happens to be a very beautiful showcase of love, relationship, friendship, all set in the course of the 9 days of Navratri. We all know that the festive season is coming, and this film is just already talking to us. Somebody said correct. Very nice. Have you seen the teaser? Kisne dekha hai teaser? Everyone's seen it. So, okay. So, this is the big gun. Ladies and gentlemen, it's also special because it marks the debut of 2 very special talents who have been handpicked by somebody who has a special eye to find these wonderful talents and choose them to tell a story. He is actually the man with the Midas touch. Anything he touches, whether he's in the film or the film is in him, turns to gold. So when he says he wants to present something, we all sit up and take notice. So ladies and gentlemen, are you all ready to meet the man? All right, so I would now like to invite on stage the one and only Mr. Salman Khan. बहुत खुश हैं सुबह से that you know they
वो तो
get to see
दिखाई
you.
दे रहा है मुझे, इसलिए ज़्यादा करके मैं अपने जो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस शाम को रखता हूँ, क्योंकि enthusiasm लेवल ज़्यादा होता है। सुबह उठ के आए बेचारे।
We can hear a very
You stop
special.
it. I hear stop it.
Right. Salman, first things first, okay? It's always a risk to tell a new story through new faces. But आपने ये हरदम ही किया है. You've always picked the right talent, mentored them, encouraged them, etc. But I want to know, what is it about Lavratri that made you want to make this film?
So the journey starts off from Maine Pyar Kiya, where Suraj Brajatia launched Someone Like Me. And here I'm standing today in front of you guys. It's been over 30 years now. So whenever you see, you know, some faces or some people that, you know, make your head turn around, I think they deserve to be launched. And it's just not the way they look, but the personality and their hard work, the dedication, and all these things put together. And after that, we do our bit. उसके बाद जब film release होती है, वो आप लोगों के ऊपर depend करता है कि वो he will become one of us, or you know, he will be there in the industry. It's basically the profession that we are in, or any kind of profession. It gets you a lot of work. It gets a lot of people work around you. So, for example, like when I work, or when you work, or when everyone works, it's just not that you're working, but there is, you know, whole army of people working with you, and you're working for them. So it's a really good thing that once you've been launched and or you start getting work, so you're there, and you know, commercially you're fine. You get the amount of respect that you deserve.
But it's still that
घर
one.
चलता है. Basically, आप ही का नहीं, you know, बहुत सारे लोगों का घर चलता है, which is the most important thing.
Yeah, you've always maintained that, and that's wonderful. But tell me one thing. Everybody keeps talking about that one star factor or that X factor, जो कि future superstars का identify हो जाता है. Do you really believe that actors who are destined to make it big have that X factor?
Yeah, and they have it in their personality. I don't know where I lack that, but everyone I see has some quality to them.
Okay, back to Lavratri. We are about to launch the trailer. Everyone's seen the teaser. They've seen a very small glimpse of what the film stands for, but it has so much more. It has music, it has fun, it has relationships, it has, you know, a lot of wonderful things all circled around a community.
It's a really beautiful story, simple story, है, बहुत ही अच्छी story है. And I don't think, like everyone would agree with me, there's nothing better than love in this whole world. Nothing better than love, and better than love is work. So both this combination of love and working, and love working, is
Amazing.
amazing.
Okay, so without further ado, let me just hear some noise. Is everyone ready to see the trailer, or am I the only one super excited? Let me hear some noise. Okay.
Next press conference is going to be done whenever we launch anyone or our own. Is going to be after 4 p.m. Relax.
No, I think I saw a lot of bright, happy, shiny faces earlier on. I think they're just... Yeah.
उठ जाइए, madam. Madam, are you still resting?
Yeah, he's talking to you. I think he's just busy texting. So, Salman, come on, we're waiting for you. I think आपके August, you know, हाथों से या command से, let's just first play the trailer, and then we'll meet the cast, and we'll meet the director, and we'll unleash them onto the press. So, are we ready? Okay.
आए आपको ट्रेलर दिखाते हैं.
Here it is, ladies and gentlemen.
Please welcome Varina Hussain and Ayush Sharma.
Ladies
Into
and
the
gentlemen,
industry,
Ayush
into the film
Sharma and
industry for
Varina.
a long, long time.
more, don't you? Right. Ayush, I mean, we're actually pretty spellbound. Varina, this was an amazing debut. Honestly speaking, अभी तक हमने सिर्फ teaser देखा था. Now we've seen you in person and we can't wait to see the rest. Tell me one thing. So I know Ayush personally, and I know that he's somebody who's into so many things, and we watch his world cinema. He's into photography. I'm very surprised. I mean, I want to know when you decided, when you read the script of Lavratri, that this was the one, this was the film that you wanted to do.
Firstly, thank you so much for everybody to come. It's a really special day for us. Thank you so much, Vinny. It's actually that when I heard the narration from Abhiraj, this character was so honest, and the film was so honest, that I felt this is the role, this is the film that will entertain everybody. Throughout the narration, I had a big smile on my face. And because of that, I always thought that, yeah, this film, I'm sure people are going to walk out of the cinema hall with they're going to entertain themselves, they're going to be happy.
Which is the most important thing in any film,
Yeah.
to be entertained. And you went a long way to do this. But before I asked you, so many questions before I ask you, Varina, I want to ask you, did you identify with Michelle instantly when you heard the script? And what was it about it that you said, I want to play this?
Assalamu alaikum and namaste. Firstly, I would like to thank everyone for coming here and being a part of our special day. And I'm nervous.
Don't be. Your acting will do all the talking.
Well, मैंने एक पूरी movie की थी, तो I was not that nervous, but today I'm really nervous.
They're all here to support you. But I think you know, on screen we can make out that there is a lot of chemistry between the two of you. Ayush, did it happen instantly? Did you have to work at it? How was it? I mean, it's your first film also, but and you know, working with, you know, two fresh people doing a film for the first time can be a little tough. But you seem to have done it fairly easily. What was it about, you know, working on this film together that made it, you know, so much easier for you to essay the character of Sushrut?
Actually, we had about 4 to 5 months of training for Garba and everything. So during our workshops, we became good friends. And that really helped us perform these characters. Also, because it's my first film and her first film, we both used to share a nervousness before a first shot. That
We still do.
Yeah, we're like, okay, you're going to manage it? Oh, okay, fine, we're going to be safe, you're going to be safe.
Yeah.
So I think that's what really worked for us. We became good friends during the film.
Worked with, you know, Salman sir on so many films. I mean, three to be precise, दूसरी. तो ये बताइए कि जब आपको ये script मिला, how did you know? Like, I'm asking this question to everyone because it's really special and it's so interesting that it's everyone's first film. So how did you identify with this script? I mean, you're not Gujarati, but you've decided to make your first film about a small town, about, you know, Gujarat. And how did it work out for you?
Firstly, good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for being here. I think the nervousness is sort of circulating in the room. So actually, I am Gujarati.
Oh.
Yes.
मेरा भी debut हो गया. हाँ, unresearchedness में.
Or you know, the first time I read about it, you know, from before, it was always a thing which I felt ki in a lot of Hindi films, Gujaratis were always portrayed in a very caricaturish manner. And this film allowed me to break that norm. So I said, why not take this up and actually go ahead and break that norm? At the same time, it's a sweet love story. And, you know, dil se picture banayenge, to sabko pasand aayegi.
Honest picture banayenge. Always a good way to start. Now let's get to the wicked questions, okay? You have worked, I mean, you worked, you know, behind the scenes on several films with Ayush. Did he have to convince you very hard to pick him?
Honestly, no.
No?
No. Because when I read the script, I read the character. You know, it is pretty much Ayush. So he's a small town boy. But other than that, the character of Sushrut is all heart. And Ayush is all heart.
That he is. And so it was easy, huh? A plus B is equal to C, which is wonderful.
I was lucky because he was such a good director, and because I was so comfortable working with him, and I know Abhiraj since beginning, so I was like, okay, Abhiraj is there, so I'm sorted. So I'm lucky to have him.
But this is the equation of first, so the balance has to be. Salman, in this whole thing, you're just standing here and wondering, ये इतने सारे बच्चों को मैंने साथ में लेके, you know,
बच्चे?
I've really carried them along.
Abhiraj was first AD on Sultan, and I saw him work on Sultan, and there is a lot of contribution of his in the way he's handled everything in Sultan. So
he was the man.
no, Ali was the man. He was the assistant man, first AD behind Ali.
Okay, Ayush, I'm going to put this question to you. You know, everyone here is wondering, what is that one advice that, you know, Salman sir gave you when your day one, you know, when he was your on set on day one? What is it that he told you that you held on close to your heart? And did it work out for you?
No, actually, throughout my training process, Bhai used to give me multiple advices on different aspects of acting. The only thing is that the first day I was going to shoot, I messaged Salman Bhai that I have first day of shoot, I'm very nervous. He said, first time he said, just enjoy yourself, have a good time, and play every character. Like, be honest to all the emotions and you'll sail through. And just relax. Just enjoy. This is a very good journey. It's the first film, so just have a blast. And that was very important for me.
And now I need to follow that advice.
But what is it that you would actually ask him not to do, Salman? Aapka itna experience hai, so what would you tell him to stay away from? You know, because it's his first film and he's just about starting his journey.
So he shouldn't stay away from anything, actually. He should do whatever he wants to do, man. And yeah, just work hard. I mean, there's nothing better than hard work and sincerity. You're sincere, you're hardworking, and that shows on screen. But with that, you need to have a lot of fun as well.
Okay,
Otherwise
it's
you'll
back
get
to
boring.
Lavratri. You have a great eye for music, Salman. I mean, you know, in every film of yours, you have a big hand to play. And the music of Lavratri is something that's very special. You know, it's got songs from some pretty, you know, well-known people. I know Ayush has been very excited about it. He's very, you know, into music as well. So tell us something about the music, Abhiraj.
So to begin with, for the music, I wanted a different approach where we don't go to one music director. We try and get talent from a lot of different people coming together for the music. So we got Azim on board, who's our music supervisor. And Ayush and me sat down, we briefed him, what are we looking at? You know, the whole idea behind even Chaugada was, let's make Garba cool. You know, you have Punjabi songs which are playing in nightclubs.
It means let's make Garba cooler.
But it's about time that we played Gujarati songs in nightclubs.
So you've got names like Darshan Rawal, you've got DJ Chetas, and I know that we have a great album that's going to be unleashed on us pretty soon. Yeah?
pretty soon.
Does it have a Salman Khan song? How not?
Me in this film, a
Yes,
song?
yes,
No, there's
absolutely.
Arbaz and Sohail in this movie.
It's a double whammy.
The last one I did, a song in, a song he appreciate hua.
So that's another thing you got to learn from Salman, to just keep it light. Varina, back to you. Now tell me, how are these two boys? Were they mean to you? They've been bullying you since morning. I've been hearing it. You know, how was it working with Ayush and Abhiraj? I mean, who was the real tyrant on the set?
Nice thing, Varina. Please, nice things.
Okay. So the first time I went to meet them for a reading, they thought that मुझे हिंदी नहीं आती और ये आपस में हिंदी में बोलने लगे. They started commenting and joking around. और बाद में पता चला इनको कि मुझे हिंदी आती है.
That's a cool trick.
And yes, shoot में काफी इन्होंने मुझे दोनों ने मिल के तंग किया है. But it was great fun.
वो जब रोई थी वो भी स्टोरी बता दो.
रुला दिया आपने नई लड़की को, अभिराज?
वो राइटर ने ऐसे लिखा था.
The director has to follow his writer.
Absolutely.
Yep. So tell me, in your real life, okay, nobody knows what you're like yet. So tell us, would you go for a guy like Sushrut in your real life?
Well, love is blind, so I can't say.
Right. Wear blinkers. Okay. I want everyone to watch the trailer once more because that was the demand that they would watch it, and we will open the house to questions once again. So do you want to see the trailer before the questions or a little after? Let me get your feedback. After? ठीक है. So are we ready for some questions from the audience? Take a deep breath. Can we have some stools so we can sit down, make ourselves comfortable?
We spend all the money on the film.
Right.
Don't do this stool का खर्चा. फिर पैसा picture में जाता है. And there's Mr. Bhushan Kumar sitting here. Thank God his wife's film is not releasing.
Can we have some more light in the audience and a mic to go around? And whoever wants to ask a question.
Problem light का actually.
हाँ. आप हमारी तरफ सारा light है, हमें कोई दिख नहीं रहा है. That's the problem. Can we have some light in the audience and can we have a show of hands for whoever needs to ask their first questions?
आयुष हाय आपके सामने.
हेलो.
सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. डेफिनेटली आज का दिन आपके लिए बहुत ही बड़ा है. आज की सुबह जब भी आप उठे, क्या कुछ आपके दिमाग में चल रहा था कि पीसी अटेंड करनी है, ट्रेलर आज आपका लॉन्च है, कुछ बताएंगे आप? क्या फीलिंग है इस समय, अगर आप कुछ हमें बता सकें?
सर थैंक यू. आई होप आपको ट्रेलर पसंद आया हो. ऑनेस्टली मैं रात भर सोया नहीं हूँ. आई वॉज वेरी नर्वस. तो सुबह उठा तो यही टेंशन था कि कैसा होगा. आई होप लोगों को पसंद आए. 1 साल से हम लोग ये फिल्म को लिव कर रहे हैं, तो अब फाइनली फिल्म बाहर आ रही है, तो उसके लिए थोड़ा एक्साइटेड था और बहुत सारा नर्वस.
Right. Will you identify your name as well?
My name is Sohail. I'm a freelancer. Hi. Congratulations, Salman Khan, Abhiraj, and the entire team, actually. Salman,
Thank you, sir.
at what point of time you thought Ayush Sharma ko you would be launching, yeah, he showed his desire to come into films, actually?
So I'll give you the backstory of this. It's kind of interesting. So we were supposed to do this film, Sohail and me, called My Punjabi Nikah. So that script we had, a ready script, and suddenly I started doing different kind of roles. So that role didn't suit me anymore. So Sohail was working out at Gold's Gym, and he saw this one boy. And he said, you know, Salman Bhai, there's this one guy that I saw in Gold's Gym, and he's the ideal casting for My Punjabi Nikah. I said, okay, damn good. I said, you spoke to him? He said, no, I met him once, I saw him once, and after that, he's not been coming to the gym. That's a body. He said, yeah, very fit guy, very hardworking, comes there, doesn't talk to anyone, kaam se kaam rakhta hai, very respectful. That's superb. Then again, we got an opportunity to meet Ayush at home after 6 months. So all of us, the brothers and my sister Alvira, they were all called. Arpita beckoned us home and she said that this is the guy I want to get married to. So suddenly ये guy कहाँ से आ गया life के अंदर? So this is what she also did to us with Atul. So anyway, so we reached. I had to live down only, so these guys came home. We were standing there. So Sohail was the last one to enter. He says, oh. So I said, what happened? He said, remember that guy I told you about in Gold's Gym? He's the guy. He said, chalo, picture free karega ye.
All right, I think you got your answer there.
Congratulations. You come from a very different background, actually. You have a business, actually. Your dad has a business. There's something totally different from it. When did you think about getting into films?
Even he comes from a very different background altogether.
Hi. So from a very young age, actually, I used to, love cooking up stories. I would run out to my mom and just make random bizarre stories and just, tell her. And that probably started when I was younger than 10 years. And that happened.
That's a nice way to say I lied a lot when I was growing up.
I lied a bit and I made up some stories, very creative. And, as I went along, a 9-to-5 job never interested me. There was, I just thought, fine, it's like a very routine life. And creative field is something that I always wanted to be in. So one day I spoke to my dad. I said, I want to get into this. He said, try it. I'm not going to pressurize you, up to you. And once I interned in the first film that I worked on, since then there's no looking back.
आयुष, अगर आप हमें बता सकें कि कौन-कौन से एक्टर से आप बहुत ही इंस्पायर्ड हैं, जिनकी आप फिल्में देखते हैं, जिनके आप बहुत बड़े फैन हैं. एक तो आपके बाजू में सलमान जी हैं, तो हम चाहेंगे कि आप बताइए, आप चाहते हैं कि लुक लाइक उनकी तरह स्क्रीन पर दिखे, उनकी तरह? आप बताइए।
सर मैं बहुत बड़ा एक मूवी बफ हूँ। मैं जब बड़ा हो रहा था तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा फिल्में देखता था, तो मैं बहुत सारे एक्टर्स का फ़ैन हूँ। सलमान भाई, शाहरुख सर, आमिर भाई। एक टाइम पे जब कहो ना प्यारे थे, ऋतिक सर का बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन था मैं।
अब नहीं हूँ
अभी भी तो सबको सबसे इंस्पिरेशन लेता हूँ थोड़ा बहुत। एंड आप थोड़ा फिल्में देख के आपको लगता है कि सबको कॉपी करते हैं थोड़ा थोड़ा, तो बचपन में सबका फ़ैन था मैं।
तो सलमान जी की कोई ऐसी क्वालिटी जो आपको बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है?
कुछ नहीं, ये मेरी क्वालिटी से जितना दूर रहें उतना बेटर है, क्योंकि इनकी शादी मेरी बहन से हो चुकी है।
Hi, Salman.
Mama, what are you laughing at? The producer of the film is laughing there.
Hi, Salman. Hi, Seema here.
Hi.
Hi. What's the challenge to launch a newcomer these days as compared to, like, what it was in the past, considering the competition in the industry? What's
Yeah, it's a big challenge. And so the challenge is not to launch that person. The challenge is after that, then what?
Yeah.
So first, when all of us were launched, so for example, from the time of Mr. Bachchan, they could survive a lot of flops. Today, 1, 2, and it's over for you. Not because you're not good, you may be the most brilliant actor, the best looking guy, the best dancer, but if the film does not do well for some reason, then it goes by the numbers now. So during the time of Mr. Bachchan, VK sir, Shatru Saab, flop pay flop, flop pay flop, but the work kept on coming. It kept on coming. So, I think Bachchan Saab must have got his first hit after some 30, 36 films when he was going back. It was Zanjeer.
Yeah.
So today, it doesn't, launching is okay. Launching is okay because you believe in your script, you believe in the actor, and the boys now, the younger generation, are really talented. They act really well. They're all trained, amazing bodies, really good looking, dancers. They do action phenomenally. So you can tell that these guys are going to make it like straight out. But then after that, if God forbid the film does not do well, then you need to stand by them and stick by them. So that is what our thing is right now. So when we were launched, like for example, Ajay, Shahrukh, Aki, myself, Amir, we got a lot of support at that point in time.
Right.
The press was really nice to us. I think apart from me, मेरा beginning से कुछ problem था. So they were really magnanimous, say, sweet boy, we want him to make it. There was a lot of love towards the newcomers at that point in time. Today, अगर थोड़ा बहुत उल्टा सीधा भी हो गया, even if it's good, so then there's social media, some people who enjoy just trolling, who enjoy just, putting somebody down because perhaps that you were eyeing for the role or you wanted to be something or you don't like the person, so you just, if you forget about the film and you get, partial, you start breaking that person down. And once that starts, then it just, just goes on and on and on. So it's very difficult at this point in time. So that positivity that used to be there earlier, that's diminishing right now. That is what we need to work on. Get back that positivity, get back the love, get back the respect, show them the respect, for, give them a hand, give them, support them. That's what we need to do. And then after that, once they make it, you can bring them down.
Did you suggest anything for the film's content? Did you have any suggestion for the...
So there was a script that I had an idea. See, love is supremo, ultimate, है ना? तो उसके अंदर क्या होता है कि now you love family, you love your friends, you got a girlfriend, you love your wife, brother, sister, and अगर झगड़ा हो जाता है बीच में, you're not talking to each other for whatever reason, but during festive time or during some time when a person needs you emotionally, when the person is going through a bad time, like an illness or an accident, everyone comes back and stands together and forgets all the animosity, all the enmity. So this is what I thought of a film to make a festive film and to have those 9 days of the festive season and to have it just, a beautiful love story there, families getting together, NRI, Indian boy, and just have a really nice, beautiful, film which will revolve around this festival as a backdrop. So that was the idea, and Abhiraj heard it and he quite liked it. And then Ayush, when he heard it in the interval, he said, I want to do it. And before that, I was kind of getting pissed off with him because I've narrated him or sent him to writers and the scripts that we have, about 9 to 10 scripts. So he says, nahi bhai, and then he also had some issues with something, and they had, and then we got Mr. Genius here, who's written the film. So he loved the script, he loved the narration, and he came back and he said, this is what I want to do. I said, are you sure you want to do this? This is something that I see myself playing. Those characters, I couldn't see myself playing yet. So I totally agreed with that, and I said, okay, this is what you want to do, then this is what's going to be. And then both these guys worked. Ahil, stop it. So how does it feel? Your son was launched before you.
He's the star. Anyway, you look at him.
Ayush,
You stop it.
Hi.
You stop it.
Right. Can we have the next question?
Yeah. Ayush, since the film is based in Gujarat, amazing trailer by the way. गुजराती कितनी सीखी आपने? कुछ कहना चाहेंगे गुजराती में ऑडियंस को?
Listen, you behave, press is going to write badly about you, okay?
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm really happy that you liked it. Honestly, जब हमने फिल्म शुरू की थी, हम क्योंकि फिल्म बेस्ड गुजरात में है, we didn't want the film to be too Gujarati. We wanted it because it's a pan-India film. Everybody should like the film. So we made this film as much as in Hindi, but थोड़ा बहुत हमारा dialogues होते थे गुजराती में. Like I traveled to Gujarat to understand the basic words, that basic lingo जो young लोगों का होता है. So me and Abhiraj had gone for a recce and we learned couple of things. But एक funny चीज़ है कि हमारे set पे जितने भी लोग काम कर रहे थे उनकी टी-शर्ट्स होती थी और उसमें लिखा था कि बका तू तारो काम कर. So it means that आप अपने काम से काम रखो. So on a set, everybody was wearing that T-shirt, and that's about it.
So basically, how Dabang was done, Dabang is from UP Bihar, but everyone understood the film pan India. Sultan was, a Haryana-based character, but spoke it just with that dialect and spoke Hindi basically and few words with the others, so that the whole pan India could understand that. And same thing with this was very carefully written that you can understand the film in Calcutta, you can understand the film in UP, Bihar, Delhi, you can whole of North, you can even go to Northeast and understand what they've spoken. Anywhere, whoever speaks Hindi, they will understand this film. And they will understand the humor of this film and the niceness and the sweetness of it. So my biggest memory of Navratri is Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. Dholi Taro.
Thank you.
वो दिखाने की बात है भाई, वो सब होते हैं nervous. But then at this, after so many years and coming and saying that, I'm really nervous. Nervous? Why are you nervous? कि picture अच्छी नहीं बनी? Is that the reason why you're nervous? Oh, you're nervous after so many years. Oh, अच्छा, ये ढोंग चल रहा है यहाँ पर. So you need to come and you made a film and you need to come and say that, you're really confident of the film, which we always are. अब चलती है, नहीं चलती है. अब अगर 170 करोड़ की फ्लॉप होती है तो अब मैं क्या करूं इसके अंदर?
Hi Salman, Ravi. Salman here. Towards your right. सलमान 80 के दशक में जब आप स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे फिल्मों में आने के लिए, उस दौरान की कुछ ऐसी घटना, कुछ यादगार मोमेंट आप बता सकते हैं, या ऐसी कोई बात जो आयुष को अवॉइड करनी चाहिए क्योंकि अब वो फिल्मों में आ चुके हैं? ऐसी कोई बात आप बता सकते हैं कि स्ट्रगल के दौरान या जब आप नए होते हैं तो आप वो चीज़ ना करें जो आपने की थी?
सर वो चीज़ तो वैसे भी नहीं कर पाएंगे, शादीशुदा, इनके बच्चा भी हो गया, इनको अलाउड भी नहीं है सर। अगर करेंगे भी तो सर गैर कानूनी होगा, तो वहाँ से एक चीज़ तो यहाँ से निकल गई। दूसरी चीज़ है कि शूटिंग पे लेट ना जाएं। तीसरी चीज़ है कि रात को देर तक ना जगें अनलेस यू वर्किंग। फिर अपना ख्याल रखें, फिट रहें हमेशा, हमेशा इंथुजियाज़म मेंटेन रखें, क्योंकि फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होता, और अगर इंथुजियाज़म मेंटेन होता है सालों साल तक तो इंथुजियाज़म और एक्सपीरियंस दोनों आ जाते हैं, एंड दैट आई थिंक इज़ द बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन।
सलमान, ऐसा सुनाई दिया है कि हाल ही में आपने बिग बॉस का जो नया सीजन आने वाला है उसका ट्रेलर, उसका प्रोमो शूट किया है, कुछ बता सकते हैं उसके बारे में? अगला बिग बॉस कितना बड़ा होगा, क्या
तो
कुछ होगा?
नवरात्रि में ये है सर कि उसके लिए सर आपको वापस आपको बुलाएंगे सर, बिग बॉस के लिए आपको बुलाएंगे, डेफिनेटली बुलाएंगे।
बस एक आखिरी छोटा सा सवाल, आपकी आने वाली फिल्म भारत बहुत बड़े बजट पर बन रही है, लेकिन
सर आप आई थिंक किसी गलत कॉन्फ्रेंस में आ गए सर, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आ गए, मुझे ऐसा डाउट है। आई थिंक बिग बॉस की बातें चल रही हैं यहाँ पर, ना ही चल रही हैं भारत की बातें। सो उसके लिए भी आपको बुलाएंगे सर, जरूर बुलाएंगे,
थैंक यू,
हमारा वादा है आपसे।
Right. Anybody else from the audience who has questions for Lavratri?
Okay, so I was auditioning for a couple of films, and there was this contest in Being in Touch app. I applied, and करीबन उसके 1 महीने बाद मुझे ऑडिशन कॉल आया, और मुझे जब स्क्रिप्ट मिला तो उस पे कुछ भी डिटेल्स, यूजुअली डिटेल्स दी जाती है प्रोडक्शन हाउस की, कि हीरो कौन है, लाइक ऑल द डिटेल्स, उसमें कुछ दिया नहीं गया था। सो आई थॉट कि कुछ
झोल है।
नहीं, आई थॉट इट विल बी अ ह्यूज मूवी। सो आई ऑडिशनड, एंड उसके बाद वी मेट एंड एंड द रेस्ट यू नो।
So basically, ये जो Being in Touch जो ऐप है, हमने उसको ऐसा कर दिया कि you have to come in with your real identity. So everyone feels that you got the right to say just about anything. लेकिन जब real identity आ जाती है उसके साथ, so then you're very careful of saying, what you say, and whatever you say it from the bottom of the heart, and the language is, parliamentary. So you're decent, you're respectful, you'll share your opinion, not that किसी और के false identity के ऊपर आप आ गए और फिर वहाँ पर बदतमीज से vulgar language के अंदर, disgusting language के अंदर बात कर रहे हो। I don't understand this one concept। जब मैं अपने real identity पे हूँ, ये अपने real identity पे हैं, वरीना, अभिराज, मिनी, हम सब अपने real identity पे हैं। तो then why are the fans, on false identities? Why are they, just keeping on making accounts and doing के उनको अपना नाम पसंद नहीं है जो उनके माता पिता ने दिया है? Yeah, are they embarrassed of their personalities? क्यों? When we are all there, and I don't think that should happen anyway. जब हमारे birth certificates होते हैं और फिर हमारे school certificates होते हैं, death certificate होता है, आधार कार्ड होता है, ड्राइवर्स लाइसेंस होता है, हर चीज़ होता है, रियल होता है, पासपोर्ट होता है, रियल होता है। तो यहाँ पर फिर फॉल्स में आने की क्या ज़रूरत है? यही होगा कि फॉल्स में इसलिए आते हैं ताकि दूसरों को पुट डाउन करें, और बीन ट्रैक डाउन, यू हाइडिंग बिहाइंड आयरन कर्टन। लेकिन वो आयरन कर्टन है नहीं, बेसिकली यू कैन स्टिल ट्रैक देम डाउन, बट इतनी मेहनत कौन करेगा? सो वी जस्ट लेट इट गो।
That's very interesting. So about the Being in Touch app, if you can just say a couple of lines. What is it intending to do?
So basically, we thought कि real identity पे आएंगे तो for the fans, you know, we can do a lot of work for the fans, like, you know, कि उनका telephone number है, उनका address है, so being human stuff could be, you know, sent to them. We could have a lot of, and we do that quite a bit. We could, you know, have these contests and contest winners, and then I wanted to start a singing platform on that, where जैसे कि हमारे पास, you know, 3 गाने हैं पिक्चर के अंदर, उसमें से 2 गाने के सिमिलर, you know, उसी सुर के, उसी टाइप के जो धुन हैं, रेंज के गाने, उस पे डालो, have singers, you know, come sing those songs and select 11 from there and make one sing that. And then ये भी सोचा था कि, और वो किया हमने कि जब लड़की की कास्टिंग होगी तो वो Being in Touch ऐप पे होगी. So we told the modeling agencies and the talent management companies, and we put it out that Mukesh Habra, that audition from here. And then we got quite a few auditions from there, and we liked about 3 or 4 girls from there. And then we saw Varina's audition there as well. So that's how she got that part. So the best thing about her audition was audition करते करते जो आदमी audition ले रहा था, इसे आपका नंबर क्या है, इसे मैं आपको अपना मेरा नंबर दूंगी नहीं. इसे नहीं मैडम, मैं ताकि आपको कांटेक्ट कैसे करें, इसे मैं आपको मेरा नंबर दूंगी नहीं, अगर आपको कांटेक्ट करना है आप मेरी एजेंसी में कांटेक्ट करें. इसे हाँ एजेंसी का नंबर मांग रहा हूँ मैं, इससे अच्छा मुझे एजेंसी का नंबर पता नहीं है. So we saw that as basically her test first, and then Abhiraj made her do one scene, and I thought she was, you know, brilliant. And that scene is there in the film as well, and she was very natural, and she's got her, you know, own way of speaking and very endearing on screen. So in quite a few hundred people, she was the one that हमने select किया इस film के लिए. And she's suit the bill. I बोलते हैं ना कि ideal casting is Varina Hussain for this.
Salman.
We're gonna take a couple.
Ma'am, she was very emotional and surprising.
Insecure.
No. She was very emotional because she's seen so many trailer launches, but she was very special because she's been involved with Lavratri since the beginning. So she was excited, she was nervous, but she was more so, she was like, okay, thank God you have a good trailer.
Salman.
दुआ है पीता कि मेरा पति चल जाए बस.
Salman.
You want to complete your question before we move on to the other one? Oh, back to
भरत दाभोलकर.
Okay, we'll.
अच्छा okay. I'm not, मैं अखबार पढ़ नहीं रहा हूँ पिछले 3-4 दिन से, इन्हीं चीज़ों में मैं बिजी हूँ, तो जब मैं पढ़ लूँगा तो मैं आपको फ़ोन करके इसका जवाब ज़रूर दूँगा.
सलमान आपके दाहिनी ओर. सलमान जी, प्रशांत ईटीवी से. इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की शुरुआत में आपने कहा कि जो पहली फिल्म होती है किसी भी एक्टर के लिए जिसे लॉन्च किया जाता है, वो तो एक ऐसी चीज़ है जहाँ वो उसे प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है, उसके बाद उसके आगे की उसका सफ़र अपना होता है. हाल फिलहाल या पिछले 10-20 सालों में ऐसा वो कौन सा एक्टर रहा है जिसे आपने देखा हो और आप फक्र महसूस करते हो कि इंडस्ट्री को ऐसा टैलेंट मिला?
I think one of the best actors that we have in our country is Govind. He's phenomenal.
Varina, Akash, Cine Speak से. So बॉलीवुड में सलमान सर से मिलना और उनके साथ काम करना एक काफ़ी बड़ी बात है. और जब भी आपको पता चला कि आप सलमान खान की कंपनी के साथ जुड़ने वाली हैं, सलमान खान के प्रोडक्शन के साथ जुड़ने वाली हैं, आपका रिएक्शन क्या था? और फिल्म के दौरान सलमान सर ने क्या क्या कहा आपको, क्या टिप्पणियां दी कि क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए बॉलीवुड में?
सच बोलना, दिल खोल के.
So Salman sir is very strict, very particular, and he made me go through military training.
मैं 4 साल से ट्रेनिंग कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ, I sympathize with you. Well, I am truly blessed for this opportunity. मेरे जैसे काफ़ी और लड़कियां थी जिन्होंने ऑडिशन दिया था, खूबसूरत, talented, but this opportunity has been given to me, and Salman sir has been extremely supportive, and my life has changed, and how. So for me, he's a real life hero. Thank you, sir.
Sweet. She's a girl of few words. We can hear you. Continue.
तो सलमान, लव की बात चल रही, अगर आप हमें अपना ड्रीम लव बता सकें तो।
देखो, ड्रीम लव का ये चक्कर है कि ड्रीम में आती है वो सुबह को जब उठता हूँ तो याद ही नहीं होता है। तो मेरा ड्रीम लव है भाई, मैं तुमसे काय को शेयर करूं कि मैंने आपसे पूछा है कि आपका ड्रीम लव भाई मुझे बता दो कि कौन है। ना ना।
Okay. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
अच्छा ही है।
We're going to, call it a day for questions now, but it would be so nice to have a few very special people on stage, so all of you could.
पहले के बीवी छुपा के रखो, बच्चों छुपा के रखो। यहाँ पे कोई छुपा नहीं रहा है कुछ, बीवी भी यहाँ पर है और बच्चा भी यहाँ पर है। So it is.
This is just the best thing about.
कि हीरो बनने के लिए you need that fan following of the girls and वगैरह 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 वगैरह. So they were also saying कि what do we do about Arpita and I said, I mean, it's there all out in the open. क्या करोगे इसका? कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. Bring it out in the open. किसने बोला था शादी करने के लिए?